After several leaks and rumors, Samsung has finally launched its most awaited phone called Galaxy A27 with 5G support. Now, let's dive into specifications of this smartphone. The new Galaxy A27 5G boasts a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy A27 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 5,000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with One UI 8.5 skin on top. And the company promises to provide 6 major Android upgrades. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 78.2 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A27 5G has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone is said to go on sale starting from July 3rd in black, navy blue, light green, and light pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A27 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.